Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. I've got a Mercedes-Benz ML 250 here, about a 2015 model, and I wanted to show you how to reset the service. I have reset it now. Now, most of the other Oaks will tell you need to press this phone button and that button together to get it into the Assist Plus menu, but I've found another way which I think is a little bit easier. So if you go with this navigation button here and you go sideways, you go for service. So you'll see there's a whole lot of, you can see there's a whole lot of settings and assist and whatever. Okay, so you go to service, select service, okay, then you scroll down to Assist Plus and then you press OK. All right, that'll take you in. Okay, and now so now I've reset this, and then you scroll all the way down once you've gone in there, and you'll see confirm full service, and you press OK, and that will reset your service. So it's just a bit of an easier way. Thanks guys. If this helped you, please like and subscribe and press the notification button.